Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, December 12th. Greetings from London. I want to thank those of you who came to my presentation at the CME Group's London office. Thank you for doing that. Great seeing people my path has crossed before and also meeting some new people. Again, thank you, and I hope you gained something from that presentation. Let's take a look at what's going on with these stock indices. And in the S&P, the market did get stronger. Remember, it was a green candle when it traded towards its highs. This is Asia right now that we're looking at. And the magnitude change between that bearish and bullish level in that market is $4,250 a contract. The next bearish level in that market is at 26.15. Let's move on. And I do look for follow through to the upside in that market. Let's see what's happening with the US dollar, and it is stronger. Against the euro, we can see that market also tried to give us a rally and then it backed off. Asia's basically unchanged, but I'm looking for a sideways, a slightly lower type market. The Swissy traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels in that market, $625 a contract. Down here in the Aussie dollar, traded above its bullish level, and you can see in Asia we're also trading above that level. Magnitude change here in that market, again just to give you a feel for that, is $1,375 a contract. So I'm looking for the dollar to remain strong. I'm not looking for dramatic moves in these currencies, but the thing that I find interesting is what we see happening here in the 10-year notes. We traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market, to give you a feel for that, is $1,187.50 a contract. I look for continued weakness in this market, as we're seeing a little bit of in Asia. Over in the bond market, 30-year bonds, we traded just a little bit below its bearish level. Magnitude change. Whoops, we don't need that. Magnitude change in that market, to give you a feel for that, just as a reference, is, let me just get this up here. There we go. The magnitude change in that market is $3,500 a contract. And again, I'm looking for continued weakness. And in the gold market, let's talk about what's happening there. I'm looking for an inside day. It gave us that kind of action. I'm looking for more of the same, not a dramatic move up or down in that market. Down here in copper, we traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change between the bearish and bullish levels there, $750 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside. Big challenges ahead for that market. And when it comes to the soybean market, this market also found some buyers. Yesterday's action, and if you look at what's happening in Asia right now, it's also giving us that push to the upside. But can we get follow through? Big challenges ahead for this market today could be very important for the bean market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.